What's that, Flea? What? You don't say. What else? Then what happened? What happened after that?
So, Lloyd, he thinks he can get more.
Uh-oh.
He's a very industrious fellow.
I'm gonna get attacked on camera.
Actually, the importers are... I'll introduce you to him. You can get it whenever you want. Is that necessary? Hey, Jerry, Lloyd wants to do you a favor. Kramer. So, yeah.
How about that Elaine today, huh?
He's scared of it.
She was practically
Trying to bite it.
really missed the show, buddy.
Hopefully, it's
Okay. It's okay. Good
It's
boy.
okay. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Hey, hush your mouth.
Oh.
Probably wondering why I wanted to see you again.
Well,